first thing that you instantly notice when you step aboard the 2050 Frontier is the amount of storage on board. It's everywhere. This model here is the 2050 Frontier Pro Fish version. So what that comes with is this large forward casting deck area. There's over 600 litres of storage in this forward area. The coolest thing about it is that if you do get a wet deck or a bow over the front, you've got all this drainage all around the outside, so that when you pull this thing down, all the water just runs around the outside, leaving the inside relatively dry. Other really cool features are these two dry storage features here. We've got all of our baits and stuff up in here, but you can see there's a nice seal around here and some drainage that runs all the way around the outside. We haven't finished yet. We've got this forward dry area here. Two really cool little compartments just up the front here. Got our food bag here. You can see it's quite a deep sort of a food bag. And again, the drainage that runs all the way around the outside, getting rid of that water so this area remains nice and dry.
Enjoying casting off the casting deck. There's a stack of room up here. Great little vantage point to fight your fish from.
Another really cool feature on this 2050 Frontier is this tilt steering. You've got 5 adjustable height points. So depending on whether you're short, tall, sitting, standing, you can adjust this wheel up to wherever you need it. It's awesome. The 2050 Frontier can come with a single width console, so it's a little bit narrower than this one. This one you can see here is a dual width console. And these can be mounted in the forward position, which this one is in, or the rear position further back. This dual width seat is an absolute engineering marvel. It's got 3 positions, in the back position for when you're driving and moving, central position so you can lean up against the bolster while you're driving, or if you're facing aft, it's a nice comfy rest looking out the back of the boat. And then finally, all the way forward like that. This is luxury. Another really cool feature of this dual width seat is the storage. Under the seat here, all nice dry storage. We've got all of our jerseys and jackets, the Garmin cover here, bags, you name it. It's quite a deep little pocket here with a nice bit of lining on the bottom. It's just a perfect little storage area. Another nice penny. Such a massive space up here to cast right on dusk. Couldn't really ask for much more. So we're both standing up in this huge area, catching fish, taking them off the lines, netting them. It's all just super easy with this massive forward casting platform on this 2050 Frontier.